Hello and welcome back to the TV room. The desoldering iron is still hot but cooling, and I have found two sockets that should fit nicely in here. That's one. Also, of course, always checking the witness mark to make sure you get it in the right way around. Okay, and for those that aren't familiar with the witness mark, see the end of this chip, even on the little white stuff on the board, there's a little wee divot, and that tells you which way the chip is supposed to go in. On some of the early machines, there was no such thing. It was easy to get things flipped. And on the original PET board, all the chips went in the same configuration, except for two. So if you just thought everything went in the same configuration, it was easy to swap them around. So the next thing that needs to happen, or I need to wait for this iron to cool, plug in the other iron, and then flip this board over and solder these nicely in place. And I think they feel like they're pretty okay and they're happy where they're staying, and the pins all look good. So this should go well. It should. So I am not ready to do any more at this time. Except here are the chips that were in there, but they're not going back. Well, one of them might. I think only one of them is wrong, is bad. I think. But we'll find out. Excuse me, I'm just moving the board. Oh yeah. There's the screws from the pit. They need to go back. I should actually grab a little bag. I should. And I did, if you look up over here, hang on, we'll go for a little scan. There's the Arbiter EEPROM board thing. And because it's an EEPROM, it's sensitive to the light. But the little sticker was coming off, so I did actually take some Scotch tape and put that on there so it will hold in place and not ruin that. Yes, anyway, this whole board needs cleaning. I suspect what I'll do at some point is I'll take the deoxit and give it a spray. It has magical properties of cleansing and cleaning away microcorrosion, but also dust. Because like right now, hang on here, this chip next to here it's dusty. Look at that. Before that, I couldn't see what that said, and now it comes up quite fine. And eventually, as your finger gets dusty, the finger doesn't do so well at cleaning off such chips. And some of them, it is hard to read anyway. It just is. Like the 6520. Oh, hang on. Like, we'll move over a little bit here. The 6520 is not bad here. This one, I mean, even with my glasses on and stuff, it really is worn away. But I know that back there's a 6502. And there's a 6520. And it's very likely the other two are 6522s. Very likely. Oh, well, we're here. Oh, we can look here. There's two ROMs in here. One of them looks very official. But I thought, boy, that looks... Anyway, it's paperclip. That would be this one. This one, I don't know what this is. It may be something to do with the Arbiter. I just don't know. Anyway, we'll slide back. Because soon, once things get cooled off and heated up, we'll solder those in place. Put chips back in, see what happens. And then I'm sure I need to go looking for a replacement 2114, which I'm sure I have in some devices because I've used a number of them to fix a number of things. Anyway, thanks for coming. Stay tuned. We will carry on with this project in the next episode. Bye for now.